Hi everyone, my name is Alex. If you're new to my channel, welcome, and if you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. I am very excited for this product review today because this is actually the first product that I am trying from this brand as a whole. It was just released not too long ago. This is the Peace Out Repairing Moisturizer. Now, this product retails for $28 and you get 1.7 fluid ounces, which my first opinion is like, okay, that's a little bit pricey, but from what I'm reading about this moisturizer, I'm really thinking that it's going to be worth it. This product is vegan, cruelty-free, gluten-free, paraben and phthalate-free, and also comes in recyclable packaging. This product says that it doesn't contain more than 1% of synthetic fragrances. This product does have just a little bit of fragrance that I did smell when I did a spot test, but it smells very clean and it smells very light. I am curious to see how that does apply on the face. Some of the ingredients that Peace Out wants to highlight in this product include bakuchiol. This is pretty much just a potent antioxidant that gently refines the looks of texture and pores. I have used this product mixed in with some retinols, and I've actually used it as a supplement for retinol as well. It is supposed to be a more gentle version of retinol for people who can't use it. It's very interesting to me that it's in a moisturizer. I haven't had any negative reactions to bakuchiol in the past, so I'm really hoping that this is the same experience as that. This product also has a ceramide complex, which just pretty much locks in moisture and soothes the skin. I have used a lot of products with ceramides in the past, even on this channel, and I have liked almost every single product with ceramides, so I'm very excited for that. Those are usually great for redness and great for hydration, which is always things that I'm kind of looking for in a moisturizer. The final ingredient that Peace Out wants to highlight in this product is CoQ10, which is just there to fight off redness and also protect your skin from environmental stressors. I know that antioxidants are really important to kind of go with sunscreen to help protect your skin from damage and things that it may build up during the day. So with this being so antioxidant rich, I'm really excited to use this during the daytime. Now, some of the things that I am personally looking for in this product include, can this be used during the daytime and at night? That's always something when I hear reparative moisturizers that I kind of try to look for. Usually reparative means that you should be able to use it during the day and at night. I haven't really found a moisturizer that I have been able to use at both times. The daytime moisturizer is usually too heavy for me, and the nighttime moisturizer is usually not heavy enough. I am very curious if this is going to be able to deliver enough hydration to repair my skin at nighttime, but also be light enough where I can use it during the daytime. I'm also curious with all of these ingredients that are in this product, if it will cause any sensitivity. I know that some people are sensitive to bakuchiol, and if you are, I definitely would not recommend using this product, obviously. But I am just curious if it is going to cause any sensitivity, and with that, I'm also curious if it's going to soothe the skin, how it works with that. Also, if it does any smoothing effects to the skin. I know that it's supposed to work on texture and pores, so I'm curious how my skin is going to react with those claims that they have put out there. And I'm also just curious how this leaves my skin feeling. I know that some moisturizers can be too greasy for some people and can be too oily, or they cannot be hydrating enough. I am just personally curious how it's going to work on my combination skin. As you probably know from watching this channel, I am dry around my beard and my neck area, and my T-zone gets pretty oily, so I am curious how it's going to work all the way around. So yeah, I am very excited to try this product. Peace Out makes so many great acne fighting products. I've heard a lot of people rave about so many of their products, and I saw this in Sephora and I was like, this is finally my chance to give this brand a shot and see how it performs on my skin. I will continue to do check-ins on this product just to kind of let you all know how it's going and keep you all updated. So I will see you all in the next check-in. Hi everyone, I just wanted to check in and give you all my first thoughts on this moisturizer. I have to say I've only used it twice. I used it last night and I used it this morning, and I so far really like this moisturizer. It is a little bit more lightweight than I was expecting. Like, it's the perfect combination between a lightweight moisturizer and a thicker, more heavier moisturizer. It delivers a lot of hydration without feeling like it's like very very dewy and sticky and gross on your skin. I haven't found another moisturizer that I have personally used that does something like that, and so that makes it very special to me. I feel like I'm crazy, but I feel like my skin is a lot smoother. It goes on super luxurious. I love the packaging. Everything about this I love so far, and I'm not experiencing any sensitivity. I was wondering, since it had Bakashul in it, if it would give me any sensitivity or anything. I haven't had any problems so far. I am going to continue using it during the night and during the daytime. It is the only moisturizer that I have tried so far that I feel comfortable enough using it both day and night. I will continue to keep you all posted on that, but so far so good. I'm really impressed with this product. The smell is very nice. It's clean and calming and subtle. It's nothing too dramatic. I'm excited to continue using this product, and I will see you all in the next check-in. Hi everyone, I've been using this product for a few days, and I just kind of wanted to give you my thoughts so far. I have had no issues with this product whatsoever. That's usually rare for me with moisturizer, so I'm very impressed so far. I do have to say, I have had so much texture up here ever since I've been using this moisturizer. It has helped it so much. Something that I actually found out about this product that I was not expecting to find was it's great under masks. I don't know if it's because this brand is an acne focused brand. I struggle with mask acne pretty bad. This feels so great under a mask. It like cut back on sensitivity, cut back on redness. It just made my skin not look as awful after I had to take off my mask. So that was an added bonus that I kind of found out about this product. The fragrance is not very bad. It actually kind of goes away right after I use it. It wears very well during the daytime. Some nights I do an extra added layer of hydration to my skin. I do this anyway. I use an overnight sleeping cream or a mask. I have to say, the combination of this moisturizer and that sleeping mask, I wake up and my skin is flawless. It does deliver enough hydration by itself, but personally myself, I like having an extra added bonus of hydration. I really enjoyed this product so far. I'm loving how it's feeling. I'm still going to use it for just a few more days to see if I'm still feeling this way and see if I find anything else during this trial, but I will see you all in my next check-in, whatever that is. Hi everyone, I am back to give you all my final thoughts on this moisturizer. Let me go ahead and dive into some of the things that I found about this moisturizer during this trial. First off, I just want to say this is an amazing moisturizer in my opinion. For someone with combination skin, it can be hard to find a moisturizer that is hydrating enough to use during the nighttime and also use during the daytime and not be like a grease ball and oily mess. This moisturizer was that for me. Like, I noticed that my skin had a really nice glow to it whenever I would use it during the daytime, and whenever I would use it at nighttime, I would wake up and not have dry skin. It was actually very hydrated. I didn't notice any breakouts that were consistently coming up while using this product. I didn't notice any sensitivity, and I did use this with other actives. I was able to use all of my actives with it. And let me just say, after using retinol, my skin loved this product. It has a lot of soothing benefits to it that I noticed. I really liked how it made my skin feel. I noticed that it did do some for my texture and my hyperpigmentation. It did help out with a little bit. This moisturizer has done a really good job at doing every single thing that it claimed to do. I definitely would recommend this product for everybody who wants to try it. I feel like this is a perfect combination of like a heavier moisturizer and a lighter weight moisturizer, so I feel like any skin type could use it. I only have combination skin, so I can only speak from that point of view. I just would recommend this product from my experience with it. I definitely think that Peace Out took a lot of time to make this moisturizer to make sure it would be a perfect combination of lightweight and extra hydrating. I feel like this is a wonderful product. It's definitely worth the money in my opinion. I did notice that the moisturizer does spread very well. I don't have to use a ton of it, but the bottom line is I definitely recommend this product. I think it's a great moisturizer, and I think you should try it if you're looking for a new one. But yeah, thank you all so much for watching this review. If you liked it and you want to see more reviews like this, make sure you're subscribed because I put out videos every week, and I will see you all in the next video. Bye.